Hey guys, Carlos from the HID Factory, and today we got a 2018 Ford F150. So unfortunately from the dealership guys, these come with halogen. So that's that yellow light. You don't get a lot of brightness down the road. It just doesn't make the truck look good. I mean, you got a really nice front end, redesigned everything, and you stick with halogen lights. So what this customer went and did, he upgraded to HID up top. We did our switchbacks for the turn signals, and then LED fog lights. So let me get that turned on for y'all. And these are all 6K colors. That means all of them are going to match. And one cool thing, like I was saying, these are switchback. So right now when you do buy these trucks, you're going to get a white light, a yellow light, and a white light. Right here we make everything match. And again, when it comes to our switchback, I'll show you what that does. So let's say I'm making a left-hand turn. That bulb blinks amber. Once I've completed my turn, it goes back to white. So what we like about these bulbs, especially these actually projected LED lights, so they actually shoot light down the road for you. So they're serving two functions. They'll illuminate the road more, and they will use a blinker. So yeah guys, we have all these products online at the HIDfactory.com. Anything else, if you want to see more videos, see if we have your truck, we're pulling up all the newer trucks, all the older stuff, anything that comes into the shop, we upload it to YouTube. Our YouTube tag is the HID Factory. And like and subscribe, guys. We're gonna hit a little like and subscribe button here to the right of your screen. Just click that, you'll be entered to win t-shirts, LEDs, halos. We give free giveaways every month, guys. So just subscribe, keep watching our videos, and if you need anything else, call us here at the shop. Thanks again, guys.